Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Glen Marine, Simonstown, Western Cape, South Africa for R2,100,000. Built for easy living, open-plan well-fitted kitchen flows into a sunken lounge that flows onto a balcony with must-see sea and mountain views of Simonstown. The main bedroom king-size, built-in cupboards and full bathroom complete the wood floor top level of this double-story home. The ground floor has a lounge, 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and study could be converted into a kitchen. The internal stairs and the separate entrance make this space perfect teen pad or flat-let. The indigenous garden offers a splash pool and entertainment area. Double garage and driveway, loads of off-street parking. Don't wait. Call me now. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.